Here's a quick video of one of the baddest G-Wagons on the planet. We're pretty confident about a lot of the inventory we get in being pretty rare, custom, and unusual. But this right here probably has to take the cake. This unit is lifted up, the best we can tell, about 5 to 6 inches with a portal lift system as well as suspension lift. 22-inch AMG wheels with what basically comes out to be about a 37-inch tire. So a lot of the components are switched over on this. This is a G550, but it does have the AMG options as well as a lot of the G squared items. We were a little hesitant on this truck, not knowing when something this unusual is modified as to how it was going to be affected. This unit rides and drives like complete factory. Matter of fact, might even be a little softer because of the extra cushion of the tire and the longer travel of the suspension. 12,000 miles. One of the other things that makes this pretty rare is this is not a factory color. This is a white unit. Was not an accident, has not been repainted. This is a full wrap system. How good of a job did they do? They did such a good job we could not tell it was wrapped until we looked closely. As you can see, even the door jambs are done. You can see a little bubble here and there, which could be smoothed out by just pushing on it. That's the only giveaway. We're getting ready to go over that and even make that more perfect, as well as the little bit of paint flake where they tried covering up the door hinges, which of course can't be wrapped. You don't find much of anything this equipped. The stance of this vehicle is incredible coming down the road. It is wide. It's got the power steps. And wrapped to a perfection. Again, we were probably a little bit starstruck by looking at this vehicle to even pay attention that it was not factory paint. But we should have known they did not make this desert tan color. But the stance of this truck just blew us away. So it took us a quick minute to realize what had been done. The cost to lift one of these, the way this truck's been done, we were told, we have not researched it ourselves, but we were told there's a California company that does it, and cost of the upgrades is somewhere in the $30,000 to $35,000 price tag. The extended flares are added because of the offset width. Coming down the road, this thing is, it's just big and wide. It's just hard to get an idea. I'll try to get back here so you can see the size. You can see sitting next to a big body old school Ford, the roof is almost at the bottom of the window. Pretty impressive height. And again, drives with one finger. Everything still functions as it should. Dark tinted windows. It will set off a buzzer every now and then for the detection driving system because of the fact the sensors are much higher than they were from the factory. So you will get a buzzer every now and then for a sensor, but we've had this to the Mercedes dealer. It has been checked for recalls. It has been gone over, and it needs nothing. All paperwork on file. If you're looking for the most one-of-a-kind vehicle there is, this is it. We would not be surprised at all if this vehicle doesn't go to another country. The last exotic high-end G-Wagon we had, which was more of a classic, actually went to a chic of another country, and we've sold to some princes and other things to that effect. So would not be out of the ordinary for a one-of-a-kind vehicle like this to go to somebody like that, or a celebrity, professional ball player, who knows? But the budget of this one puts it to where it's still expensive at $210,000, but compared to a factory G2 with a 1-year waiting list and a price tag almost at $300,000, and they're not one of a kind, this Mercedes G-Wagon is an incredible deal for the right person. Call us if you got any questions. Hopefully this video helps show the cleanliness. I think I've caught all the angles I could catch. Very, even the roof. Very impressive unit. Check the website for all of our other custom vehicles. Give us a call, 804-271-0030. If there's something you're looking for, I would say there's a good chance we might have it in stock. Thanks for watching.